Welcome back, guys. Today's product is going to be the Plaku wireless doorbell camera with Chime. I am not going to go over the downloading the app. It's self-explanatory and it's simple to do. So with no further ado, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and go over the wireless Chime. So just to make sure, right here at the front, when you see the blue light goes on, that's your indicator light. And on the bottom is going to be your horn, which is where the sound comes out. And right on top is going to be your USB-C. Let's go ahead and talk about the video doorbell. First thing you want to do is remove this here cover completely. And we'll save that on the side. The top here, that's going to be your FHD optical lens. Right underneath is your PIR motion sensor, followed by, if you could see, I'll try to bring it close up to you, but it's like a little dot right in there. If you could see it, that's the microphone. Right here is your doorbell. Right on the bottom is your speaker, which is a two-way speaker. The safety screw here, I just want to let you know, we are going to be removing the back. Let's go ahead and remove the back, which is the screw that I had shown you, and it does come with the hardware for you to go ahead and remove it. Now once you take off the cover, or the back, you're going to notice this little button here. That's going to be your anti-theft alarm button. On the left side, when you open this here, this is going to be, oh, it's in there pretty good, so that's a good sign. You have your reset button on the top, your Type-C charging port, and on the bottom here, try not to pull this out. You want to make sure that you don't want to lose it. And then right here on the bottom is where you put your micro SD card. Now to power it on, it'll just take a push of the button for 2 seconds. If you wish to turn it off, you want to press it down for 5 seconds. And now it's off. Let's go ahead and charge it for approximately 8 hours, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're just going to give it a quick sample out here. It's not installed yet. That's what it would sound from the outside. Let's find out what it sounds from the inside.
I'm outside. Do a little bit of a close-up.
You could do a screenshot. You could use the intercom. I'm hoping that you guys heard me when I was outside. You have a history. It'll give you a history of everything that you're recording. You have a cloud. That's an option. You could tamper alarm, motion detection, which is great. Even though nobody's ringing your doorbell, somebody or something walks across, it's gonna let you know. It also has a siren, which is great. This is pretty darn good. I mean, I love the picture. This is, let me tell you something also. The coverage of it picks up a lot. Like, it's got a nice coverage of the area that it's being pointed to. Let's go ahead and charge it for approximately 8 hours, and we'll